just started racing electric bikes last year, and I was around when electric bikes started racing a few years ago, and they weren't that cool then, so I wasn't sure what to think when I was asked to race one. I got to race with CRP last year, and that's what got me going. I got to race over at Le Mans, which was amazing, and learned real quick that they're a lot cooler than what I thought that they were. Riding the electric bike is really similar to riding the 600. I mean, it flicks around the same as the 600 does, so a lot of people expect that you're gonna say that the electric bike's totally different, but it's not. It's kind of the same ball game. I mean, you get used to it really quick if you're used to riding on a street bike, so it's a lot of fun just like the street bike is. Brammo is launching the Empulse, and I get to be there for the big launch in LA. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Brammo, when Brammo does stuff like that, they kind of do it up, so it's pretty cool to be a part of. I like Brammo's style, the way that they do things, so really looking forward to being a part of that.